In this video, you will see how to remove grid lines in Excel for specific cells. It's very easy. What you need to do is just click on the cell of which you want to remove the grid line, and after selecting the specific cell, now it's very easy. Just go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab you will see here the option of fill color. So instead of selecting any color, you just have to select the option white color and then click outside that cell. Now as you can see, the grid lines were present here, but now they have gone. So similarly, you can select multiple cells like this, and under the Home tab just go to the fill color option and select the white color. So this will remove the grid lines, or rather grid lines will become white, so it becomes invisible. If you want grid lines back, just go to the fill color option and select the option no fill. So this will bring back the grid lines. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.